Welcome back to a new video, guys. Today, we're gonna be learning how to ask for directions and give directions in English. In this video, we'll have a slow English comprehensible input vlog. Then you will learn how to give directions, pronunciation for difficult words, common mistakes to avoid. And at the end, you'll have shadowing practice with me to improve your confidence in English. This video is part of my 3,000 most common English words series designed to help you understand up to 95% of spoken English. Renovating a different view of this tallest building.
Fanning your face.
Visit that directions. School under construction building right now. And I've also started posting these videos as podcasts. You can find them here or in the description. Volka English. Let's get started. So right now we are outside of the second tallest building in the world. Isn't that right, Leon?
It's crazy how big and tall this building is. When I look up at it, I hurt my neck looking at it because it is so tall.
They don't call it the second tallest building in the world for no reason, I guess.
It is seriously impressive.
It is very, very tall.
It reminds me a lot of the tallest building in the world, which I have seen as well, the Burj Khalifa. Honestly, that building felt even taller, but I think it was just a shape, was a cone shape.
Yeah.
But this building just feels massive, like it just feels wide.
Very wide. And when did you visit that building, the Burj Khalifa? When did you visit it?
2024, around March or April, I saw it.
So almost 2 years ago now.
Almost two years
ago. But now we're outside of the second tallest building. And there is a nice grassy area out here. And on the other side, there is a school. And over there, you can see that building is being demolished. Stop studying random words. Get my 3,000 most common English words PDF and learn the words that help you understand everyday English. I'm not sure if you can hear the sounds of that machine working, but that building is being demolished. But yeah, let's walk around and see if we can get a different view of this building. This building is very nice. After we have a slow English comprehensible input lesson, we will talk about directions. So make sure you stick around for that. So now Leon and I are walking. We are walking. You notice on this side of the building.
On this side of the building, there are some barricades blocking off entrance to the main building.
Yep. So what color are these barricades?
They are white and orange.
So these barricades are white and orange. And this one is blue. Blue barricade. And it looks like this area is under construction.
Yes, from what I remember, last time I was here, this whole area was also still under construction. The area that is part of the building.
And you can see through this blue wall. You can see right through it. Yeah, it says danger, construction work in progress. So when people are working somewhere, you could say that area is under construction. It's under construction. And there are safety signs on the outside of this barrier. Just to tell you, there is a tripping hazard. Watch out for falling objects and other things. So what do you think this is? I think this is the entrance to the tower, but now they're renovating it. Unless it just was never finished. It's kind of hard to tell.
Yeah, I'm not too sure. There might be multiple ways to get in.
Most likely. Okay, guys, what do you notice right here? What is this part right here?
That is the curb.
Correct. That is the curb. And what is the part I'm walking on right now? What is this part?
That is the sidewalk.
Yes, this is the sidewalk. And what is that part right there where the vehicles are driving on?
That is the road.
The road. It's the road, or you could also call it the street. The road or the street. And what part of the road are the vehicles parked on?
That is the shoulder of the road.
Correct. They are parked on the shoulder of the road. The shoulder of the road is from the yellow line inwards. As you can see, the vehicles are too big to fit within the shoulder, so they are parked a little bit on the road. But I guess that's legal here. In Canada, I'm pretty sure they would get fined for parking here. What am I doing right now?
You're fanning your face.
I'm fanning my face. Why am I fanning my face?
Because it is hot out here.
It is very hot. That is correct. I'm fanning my face because it is very, very hot today. This right here is the entrance to the MRT station. And that over there, you can see another tower. That is the KL Tower. Okay, that was a short, comprehensible input lesson. Now let's learn about directions, how to give directions and how to ask for directions. Let's get started. Yo, what are you working on?
Yo, I'm working on my channel right now. I just started. I'm going to be posting once a week if you guys want to check it out.
So if you guys want to follow Leon on YouTube, he's posting comprehensible input vlogs here, Nomadapedia. It's in the description. Okay guys, we just finished the slow English comprehensible input vlog part. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Now let's talk about how to ask for directions and how to give directions. So we'll just be following these 3 simple steps: ask, confirm, and follow. Here are some sentences you can use to ask for directions. Excuse me, where is this place? Excuse me, where is the mall? Where is the park? Where is the university? Another way to ask that is, how do I get to blank? How do I get to the mall? And the final way to ask for directions is blank near here? Is the university near here? Is the station near here? So after you go up to someone and ask them for directions and they tell you the directions, you want to confirm the directions so you know where you're going. A couple ways to confirm the directions are, so I go, insert directions. So I go left at the traffic light and then straight for 10 minutes. You can also ask, is it far? About how long will it take to walk there? And finally, can I walk there, or do I need to drive or take public transit? And the third step is to follow the directions. Go straight, turn right at the corner, go past the entrance, and it'll be on your left. Now, how can you give someone directions? So if someone asks you, oh, where is the mall? You need to know how to give them directions so that you can help them. Here are some words you can use to give directions. Go, then, after that, finally. So here is an example sentence. Go straight, then turn left. After that, go past the cafe. Finally, it's on your right. Now it's your turn. Practice saying this line here on the bottom. Good job. The line reads, go straight, turn right at the corner. After that, cross the street. Finally, it's on your left. Now we'll have 3 scenarios to practice your speaking and pronunciation. The first one, my brother will answer, and the second 2, you will answer. Excuse me, where is the entrance?
Go straight, then turn left at the corner. It's on your right.
So I go straight, then I turn left at the corner, right?
Yes.
Is it far?
No, it's about 5 minutes.
Okay, perfect. Thank you very much. Bye. Now let's go on to the second scenario. I want you guys to read the yellow caption on the bottom of the screen. Go. Go straight to the intersection, then turn right, go past the cafe, and it'll be on your left. Exactly. Third scenario, is the entrance near here? Across the parking area between the 2 buildings. Got it. Thank you. Get the workbook for this video on my website. Buy 5 or more and get 30% off automatically at checkout. Now let's talk about some common mistakes. Where is it versus where it is. Use where is it when you're asking a question. For example, where is the entrance? That is correct. Where the entrance is, that is wrong. But where the entrance is still correct inside a longer sentence. For example, can you tell me where the entrance is? Common mistake number 2, on the left side and in the left side. So we use the word on when talking about sides. So on the right side or on the left side. We don't use in. In is for inside a space, like in the mall, in your car, in your house. Correct It's on your left. Wrong, it's in your left. The third common mistake is go straight versus go straightly. Straight is already an adverb here, so you don't add ly, straightly. You don't say go straightly. You say go straight. And you can also say go straight ahead, but you can never say go straightly ahead. And the final common mistake is turn left versus turn to left. When we're giving directions, we don't say turn to left. We just say turn left or turn right. So the correct way to say it would be turn left at the corner. The wrong way would be turn to left at the corner. You see how turn to left kind of sounds off? It's because we don't say to. You just say turn left at the corner. Now let's practice the pronunciation of some difficult words. Direction. 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 Intersection. 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 Across. 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 Between. 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 If you guys like this style of video with a comprehensible input vlog in the beginning and then an English lesson at the end that helps you practice common topics and themes in English, teaches you pronunciation, shadowing practice, and common mistakes, then let me know in the comments that you want more videos like these. Join my Patreon to keep practicing with extra English lessons and resources that help you improve faster. Second tallest building in the world. When did you visit that building? Other side, there is a school. And over there, if we can get a different view of this building. What do you notice on this side of the building? This area is under construction and now they're renovating it. I'm walking on right now. What is this part?
You're fanning your face.
Let's learn about directions. I'll be posting my shadowing stories on my second channel, Volka. The link to my channel will be in the description, so make sure to subscribe and watch the videos there.